Hey, this is Ron with Climate Control Services. So yesterday I had a client who said, "Hey, I got this cabinet and it's too wobbly. It's a little baby. It's a dresser drawer for our baby that's coming, and really want to know how to figure out how to make that a little bit better." So here's a simple video, one of the services we provide and how we can make it better. So here's the cabinet. It's just a real simple four-door chest of drawers. Not a real expensive piece of equipment. But what's happened is just by the nature of the way it's designed, it's real wobbly. You can see it kind of moves and rocks real bad. So how do you take something simple like that and make it a little better? Well, first, the reason it moves the way it does is the nature of these connectors. You can see here it's just got some standard Allen wrench or hex head type screws in it, but the screws themselves aren't connected to the side panel, so it allows it to shift left or right because there's nothing really stabilizing it. So we put a simple piece of wood in the middle to stabilize it and keep it from rocking. We'll show you what that looks like. So using a Kreg jig pocket hole tool, I ultimately cut a piece of wood that was the right width and put a set of pocket screws in it. And we're going to take those pocket screws now and we're going to take and connect it on the side of the cabinet right here in the top where it'll create some stability. And when it's in essence, the board itself is not that tight, but the nature of putting that board in place keeps it from rocking. So after we tighten it up, we'll show you what it looks like finished on both sides. So here's the stabilizing board put in on one side and stabilizing board on the other. This simply keeps the unit now from rocking when you no more wiggle. Had a lot of wiggle before, now it's nice and stable. It was a very inexpensive fix. It wasn't an expensive piece of furniture from the beginning, but hey, what they wanted to try to do was figure out a way to make it more stable. So there you go, a couple of pieces of wood along the side. This wood will now be stained. It's simply a side board, sticks out right now like a sore thumb, but if you open up the drawers, you can see it's actually made out of the same material. It's a soft pine. The outside was stained, the inside was not. We're just going to stain these outside boards and make them blend in. Nice, simple repair. If you got a project, give us a call. We'll take care of your projects as well.